step into the 2005 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S434.3L. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Enjoy these notable features: side airbags, cruise control, alloy wheels, power windows, moonroof, tinted glass, tilt wheel, and power seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.